Hi everyone. Hope you guys are doing well. This is day 42 of CAT 2021 day 50 days sprint, and today I'm going to share a trick with you, and I'm sharing this at 7 a.m. I'm not even sure why I'm making this video so early in the morning, but I wanted this trick to reach out to you before you take your mock today or before you implement any strategy today, because I just recalled that I did this as a part of my journey, but I wasn't sure what impact it had, but now I'm able to think about it and I think it works. So there was this trick that I used before every mock. I used to imagine taking the mock even before taking the mock. So what that means is I would close my eyes for a few minutes. I would imagine that there are going to be 34 questions, 1 hour per section. I'm attempting the mock using this strategy. I'll start off, I'll scan the questions, I'll pick which sets to choose or which RCs to solve, and then I'll start solving the RCs. I'll be able to get each RC solved in so many minutes, and that's how I will move on and attempt so many questions on the hope that I'll be getting XYZ number of questions correct. So I always imagined it, and I think imagining did something. I'm not really sure. I can't practically say that while I imagined the result was that I improved my percentile points by so much. I can't say that, but imagining the mock even before taking the mock certainly did something. I was recently reading this in as a part of some book. I'm not sure which book I was reading or which podcast I was listening to, but there was this study which was mentioned wherein it was stated that researchers once put some instruments or tools or some experiment, something they did with athletes out there who were about to run a marathon, and while they were asking the athletes to imagine that the marathon has started, they observed the same brain activity and the same brain cells lightened up in their head and the same muscle activity took place in their muscles as would have taken place while they were running the marathon. So just by imagining something, you can actually experience it. And if you imagine taking the mock in your head and you experience it without actually wasting a mock, you can actually monitor your response to it. So a lot of the students complain that when they take the mock, they face anxiety issues and they are not able to control their response to the mock. While you are imagining, you can calm your mind down and you can monitor your response that is going to take place when you take the actual mock. By just imagining what your response will be, you can actually tweak your response while you're taking the actual mock. I mean, you can at least experiment it. It will hardly take 10 or 5 minutes while doing this activity. And I certainly did it before every single mock, and I'm sure that it did something. So maybe you can also experiment. And while you do that today, let me know how it works or whether it works. All you have to do is for 5 minutes, just imagine your strategy while taking the mock. This will also help you understand if you actually have a strategy for every section or not. Because while you are imagining, think what you're imagining. Are you able to come up with a strategy for each and every section? And while you go through the strategy, do you feel confident inside that the strategy is working? Are you able to pinpoint how many questions are you attempting using that strategy? And if you're not, then there is certainly a need of tweak in your strategy. So both ways, it's certainly going to be of some help to you. Just let me know how it turns out to be. I just felt like sharing that this is something that I did as a part of my journey, and maybe you can do it too. Maybe it results in something positive. Thanks for watching this video and have a nice day.